So my name's Craig. I've got a practice in Buxton. We have a 3-surgery, fully private setup. So I came on this course after seeing it online. I spoke to a few previous delegates, knew that I wanted to learn a lot more about indirect placement of restorations. Loved the aspects of the course being hands-on, and knew that as being a hands-on learner, that being able to work with Sam on a patient was going to give me the very best possible learning experience. One of the biggest things was the materials and the equipment. As it had been tried and tested on many patients over many years, it was nice to see what worked and what didn't work, and then off the back of that, tried and tested workflows. That was really, really important to sort of see how years of trying it different ways has translated into how the patient journey now is. Management of patients and the diary management, making sure the diary's zoned. We zone the diary currently. We are a busy practice and it's multidisciplinary, so being able to translate that into the type of dentistry that I want to do and how we're going to zone the diary, that was really important. But most importantly, I think the course showed me what to do when things don't go right, when it doesn't go to plan, how to deal with certain situations and how to deal with certain patients. I really recommend this course so that you can take your skill set to that next level. I think it's a course that is best for those that have done a few years of practice. I think you've got your basics and you've understood your basics and you're wanting to take that skill set and enhance it. And now I know that this area of dentistry is what I want to become known for and what to specialise in. Knowing that we've got Sam at the end of a phone, if I have any issues or questions or queries, I can just pick up the phone or send him a quick WhatsApp. It's reassuring. It's having that ability to go back to practice on a Monday morning, knowing that you can start to apply the new skills that you've acquired, speak to the patients in the way that you've learnt, how to remain confident in your ability to provide that excellence that you're striving for your patient. And if something comes up that wasn't touched upon on the course or you didn't experience it during the course, knowing that you can just speak to Sam, it's brilliant. I would totally recommend this course, the Bespoke Smile Makeover course, 100%.